Welcome to Anita's Online Academy, Class 11th, Subject Biology, Chapter 1, The Living World. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss about metabolism, which is the important feature of living organisms. So what is metabolism? Sum total of all the chemical activities or chemical reactions within a cell or in living organism arising due to specific interaction among large number of different types of molecules within the cell. So what is metabolism? It is the sum total of all the chemical activities, all the chemical reactions which are taking place within the body of a living organism. And why these chemical reactions are taking place? These chemical reactions are taking place due to specific interaction among large number of different types of molecules within the cell. Now, what is a specific interaction? A particular type of molecule will combine with another particular type of molecule to form the third particular type of molecule which is required by our body. So, this interaction is specific. Specific molecule combines with specific molecule to give one specific molecule or one specific compound. That's why it is called specific interaction, and it is taking place within the cells. We are not talking about the chemical reactions which are taking place in the chemistry lab. We are talking about the chemical reactions or chemical activities taking place in the body of living organism. So all the chemical reactions together which are taking place in the body of a living organism, those all reactions together as a sum total are known as metabolism. Now metabolism can be divided into two types, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism include all the synthetic type of reactions. Under anabolism, synthesis take place. So children, anabolism, again it is a part of metabolism. So anabolism includes all the chemical reactions which are taking place within a living organism, that is they are called biochemical reactions. Got it? The chemical reactions which are taking place inside the body of living organism, they are called biochemical reactions. So all the chemical reactions which are taking place within the body of a living organism, that is all the biochemical reactions by which some simpler substances combine to form or to synthesize a new complex substance. In case of anabolism, simpler substances are combining, simpler molecules are combining to give complex substance or complex compound. Example, in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combine to give glucose. And in case of amino acids, all the amino acids combine to form protein. So these are the synthetic reactions and they are called anabolic reactions or anabolisms. So we can say sum total of, here also we should use this word, sum total of all the chemical reactions which are taking place in living organism, that is or sum total of all the biochemical reactions by which simpler substances form complex substances are called anabolic reactions or anabolism. Now we say catabolism. Again, catabolism, we will start the definition from the same word. The sum total of chemical reactions taking place in living organisms. But here, due to this chemical reaction, the complex substances decompose or break down into simpler substances. I repeat the definition. Catabolism is the sum total of all the chemical reactions which are taking place in living organism, that is biochemical reactions, by which complex substances break down into simpler substances. For example, during digestion, sugars break down finally into simplest sugar, glucose, and fat breaks down into fatty acid and glycerol. Proteins break down into amino acids. So here we can say catabolic reactions are just opposite to anabolic reaction. One more example, in respiration, the glucose breaks down in presence of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. So this is all about the definition of metabolism, anabolism and catabolism. Let me repeat once again. Metabolism is the sum total of all the chemical reactions which are taking place in living organisms due to interaction of different type of molecules. Anabolism and catabolism are two parts of metabolism. Catabolism include all those chemical reactions which are taking place in living organism, that is biochemical reactions, by which simpler substances combine to form complex substances. And catabolism is sum total of the chemical reactions that are taking place in living organism, and in these reactions the complex substances break down into simpler substances. Now we will see the difference between anabolism and catabolism in detail. So let us discuss now the difference between catabolism and anabolism. Here these are characteristics, then catabolism and anabolism. First is type of process. Catabolism. Under catabolism there are destructive or breakdown processes, and in anabolism constructive or building up processes are included. Now energy is released in these processes, that is catabolic activities. Energy is released, and this type of reactions are called exergonic reactions. In anabolism, energy is used and stored, and such processes are called endergonic processes. Now we come to synthesis. Simple substances are formed by breaking down of complex substances in catabolism. Complex substances are formed from simpler substances in anabolism. Now utilized catabolism or catabolic processes are utilized for performing different cellular activities, and anabolism utilized in growth, maintenance and storage. Now we come to reaction. What type of reaction? Catabolic processes include catabolism are called reaction converts because many substances break into few simpler substances, whereas anabolism is called reaction diverge because few substances form many different substances. So this is all about metabolism.